Today we're diving into the riveting journey of the hardtail mountain bike, a story that starts with rugged trails and modified cruisers and evolves into a world-class sporting phenomenon. Let's pedal back in time to the 1970s in Northern California, where our story begins. In the rolling hills and challenging terrains of Northern California, a new kind of biking was born out of necessity and adventure. Riders took to the hills with what they had: heavy cruiser bicycles not designed for the rigors of mountain trails but robust enough to handle them. These pioneers of mountain biking would modify these cruisers, making them more suitable for the demands of off-road riding. These modified bikes, known as ballooners in California, clunkers in Colorado, and dirt bombers in Oregon, were the precursors to what we now know as the mountain bike. Among these trailblazing riders was Joe Breeze, a visionary frame builder who saw potential in these rugged machines. Breeze's ingenuity led him to develop what many consider the first true mountain bike. The late 1970s marked a pivotal shift in the world of mountain biking. Companies previously focused on road bicycles began to see the potential in these off-road machines. Using high-tech, lightweight materials like M4 aluminum, they started producing mountain bikes for a growing audience. The 1979 Lawwill Pro Cruiser was a standout, based on a frame by Don Koski, made from electrical conduit and a Schwinn Varsity frame, and sold for about €500. It was a game-changer, setting the stage for the mountain bikes we know today. However, it was the introduction of the specialized stump jumper in 1981 that truly marked the beginning of mass-produced mountain bikes. The stump jumper wasn't just another bike, it was a statement: rugged, reliable, and ready for anything the trail could throw at it. This bike's launch was so significant that Randy Ross, executive vice president of Ross Bicycles Inc., was quoted in the New York Times saying that these bikes represented one of the biggest things to ever happen in the biking industry. As the 1990s dawned, the world of mountain biking was on the cusp of a major transformation. What started as a pastime for a few adventurous souls had begun to capture the imagination of the masses. The hardtail mountain bike, once a quirky offshoot of traditional biking, was now at the forefront of a global movement. Throughout this decade, mountain biking gained unprecedented popularity. It wasn't just a sport anymore, it was a lifestyle. New trails were blazed, communities formed, and the spirit of mountain biking spread like wildfire. This was the era when mountain biking races and competitions began to draw attention on the world stage. The establishment of an international racing circuit and the inauguration of world championships turned skilled riders into global icons and the sport into a spectacle. The 2000s brought even more excitement to the mountain biking scene. This period saw the emergence of various free-ride competitions, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible on two wheels. Events like the FMB World Tour and the Red Bull Rampage became the ultimate proving grounds for riders. These competitions weren't just about speed, they were about creativity, bravery, and the sheer joy of riding. The hardtail mountain bike, once a humble tool for traversing mountain trails, was now a symbol of human endurance, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of adventure. This era also witnessed significant technological advancements in mountain bikes. Manufacturers experimented with new materials, geometries, and components, constantly refining the hardtail mountain bike to meet the evolving demands of riders. These bikes became lighter, stronger, and more versatile, capable of tackling a variety of terrains with ease. As we pedal into the present, the legacy of the hardtail mountain bike is unmistakably etched into the heart of biking culture. From its modest beginnings on the rugged trails of California to the high-stakes competitions of the world stage, the hardtail has not just endured, it has thrived. Today, the hardtail mountain bike stands as a testament to innovation and resilience. It remains a favorite among purists and newcomers alike for its simplicity, reliability, and connection to the roots of the sport. While full suspension bikes have gained popularity for certain styles of riding, the hardtail's straightforward design and efficiency continue to make it a versatile choice for trail riding, racing, and exploring. The future of the hardtail mountain bike is as exciting as its past. With advances in materials and design, these bikes are becoming lighter, stronger, and more capable than ever. The community around mountain biking continues to grow, welcoming riders of all ages and backgrounds to share in the thrill of the ride. Environmental consciousness and sustainable trail practices are also becoming integral parts of the sport, ensuring that the trails we love today will be there for future generations to enjoy. As we look back on the 30-year journey of the hardtail mountain bike, it's clear that this isn't just a story about a type of bicycle. It's a story about people, passion, and the unrelenting pursuit of adventure. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the hardtail mountain bike invites you to be a part of this continuing story. A story that's written on the trails, in the heart of nature, and within each of us who dares to ride.